Do you believe that talent is necessary to succeed? Think about it for a moment. Is it really talent that makes someone the best? Or is there something more to it? Here's a surprising fact. Studies have shown that habits, not talent, are the primary drivers of success. In fact, your daily habits can transform your life far more than any innate ability. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Welcome to Ultimate Goku Mindset, where we uncover the secrets to self-improvement and personal growth. Today, we're going to explore the concept of atomic habits and how they play a crucial role in achieving greatness. You might be surprised to learn that talent is not the sole determinant of success. So, what are atomic habits, and how can they help you become the best? Let's find out. There's a common misconception that talent is the primary factor for success. We've all heard stories of prodigies and natural-born geniuses, and it's easy to believe that if you don't have that innate talent, you can't excel. This belief can be incredibly limiting and discouraging. Many people face challenges when they believe they don't have the talent to succeed. They might give up on their dreams, thinking they're not cut out for it. But what if I told you that talent is just a small part of the equation? First, let's talk about the concept of atomic habits. These are tiny, incremental changes that, when compounded over time, can lead to massive improvements. Think of them as the building blocks of success. Clear introduces the idea of the 1% rule. If you can get just 1% better each day, those small improvements will compound and lead to remarkable results. It's not about making huge changes overnight. It's about making consistent, small changes that add up. For example, if you want to become a better writer, start by writing just one sentence a day. Gradually, increase it to a paragraph, then a page. Over time, you'll find yourself writing effortlessly and producing higher quality work. Another powerful concept from the book is identity-based habits. Instead of focusing on what you want to achieve, focus on who you want to become. For instance, if you want to get fit, start thinking of yourself as an athlete. This shift in identity will drive your actions and help you develop habits that align with your goals. Habit stacking is another effective technique. This involves linking a new habit to an existing one. For example, if you want to start meditating, do it right after you brush your teeth. By stacking your new habit onto an established one, you're more likely to stick with it. The key takeaway here is that small, consistent actions can lead to extraordinary achievements. It's not about making drastic changes or having innate talent. It's about building habits that align with your goals and committing to them over time. Now let's look at some real-life examples of individuals who have succeeded through their habits. Take Michael Phelps, for example. He didn't become the greatest swimmer of all time overnight. It was his relentless commitment to daily practice and refining his technique that led to his success. Or consider J.K. Rowling, who faced numerous rejections before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. It was her habit of writing every day that made it possible. The main insight here is that consistent and intentional habits can lead to extraordinary achievements. These individuals didn't rely solely on talent. They relied on their habits to get where they are today. In conclusion, developing atomic habits can help you surpass the limitations of talent. By focusing on small, consistent actions, you can achieve greatness over time. Remember, it's not about making huge changes overnight. It's about committing to small, incremental improvements. To recap, we've discussed the misconception that talent is the primary factor for success, the power of atomic habits, and real-life examples of individuals who have succeeded through their habits. The transformative power of consistent actions cannot be overstated. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you believe talent is necessary to succeed, or do you think habits play a more significant role? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos on personal development and success. Thanks for watching, and remember, you have the power to shape your destiny through your habits. Until next time, stay dedicated and keep striving for greatness.